Hello gang, in this video I will be showing you how to convert any Python script into executable. So I have this simple GUI application. As you can see, when I try to run it by typing python main.py, when I run it, you see a simple GUI just pop up. So what I want to do here, I want to convert this into executable so I can share it with my friends who don't have Python installed on their PC. So let me excite this. So to do that, you first of all need to install a package called pyinstaller. So in order to install pyinstaller, you have to open your terminal, then type in pip install pyinstaller, hit enter, and I've already have it installed. So after installing pyinstaller, what you want to do next is to open the current working directory, the directory where your script is. So I'm going to open my directory. As you can see, there's a file name main.py. So you want to open your terminal or command prompt in that location where your script is. So I'm going to type in cmd to open my command prompt. Okay, so let me zoom in for you guys to see. So what you need to do in order to convert this main.py into executable is to type in pyinstaller, then the name of the script, in my case is main.py. What you can also include to this is a -d flag in order to make the script, the executable script, in as a directory, or you can pass in the -f to make the executable file as a single exe file. So by default, if we run it like this, we are going to make it a directory instead of a single file. So I'm going to run it like this. So I want to hit enter. All right, gang, everything is done. As you can see, it created a three directory for us and a single file. So what we need to do is to delete the file and folder we don't need. We don't need this main.spec, and we don't need this build and pycatch folder. So I'm going to delete them. So all we need is this disk folder. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, we have our single directory here. So I'm going to open it, and what I want to do is to look for the exe file is created for us. As you can see, we have main.exe here. So I'm going to run it. So as you can see, our simple dialog just pop up. So let me excite it. So this is how to convert it in using -d flag, which is going to create a directory of files. So one of the disadvantage of this is that if I copy our main.exe file and paste it outside the folder, it's not going to work. So if you're going for this option, you can maybe create a shortcut and just run it like that. So optionally, what we can do is to create it as a single file. So I'm going to delete it so that we can just create it as a single .exe file. So I'm going to open my command prompt here. So let me zoom it. So what you want to do is pyinstaller, then the name of the script, in my case is main.py, then -f. Please take note that all these flag we are passing, all these letters here are capital letter. If you try to put in a small later it won't work. So let me run it again. All right, gang, everything has completed. So as you can see, it created three folders and a single file for us just as before. So I'm going to delete this. So going to delete the folders we don't need. We only need this sticks folder. As you can see, we have a single file which is main.exe. So in order to, let me try and run it for you guys to see. It's gonna waste a little time. Okay, as you can see, it just successfully created a .exe file for us, and our GUI application is working. So with this, you can transfer it to your friends, share your work with your friends, even if their system doesn't have Python installed. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Please leave a comment. I promise to reply in real time. Peace.